Little Pine Education presents The Duke Goes to Town. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 28. Long U words: Duke, Bruce, Mule, Rude, Use, Flute, Tune, Cute, Huge. Challenge words: needed, town, dance, wagon, family. The Duke needed to ride to town. His man Bruce got him a mule. "I cannot ride that," he said. "I am a duke. What will people think?" "Do not be rude," said Bruce. "You can use it." "Oh, no, no, no," said the Duke. Next, Bruce got him a mare. "This is more like it," said the Duke. "Watch," said Bruce, as he got out a flute. "When I play a tune, the mare can dance." "I do not want a mare that will dance." "But it is cute," said Bruce. Next, Bruce got him a huge wagon. So the Duke's whole family went to town. That's the end. I'll see you next time.